Hi there, Danna and Robyn, authors of the Eat, Live, Thrive diet, and we want to share today why we wrote this book.
Because we wrote this book for you if you're a mature woman who's maybe struggling with that midlife metabolism change. Let me tell you, both Danna and I have been through that, and we've struggled through it, but we're here to tell you there is victory on the other side.
So many women think, I'm never going to get my waist back. I'm never going to feel like I did in my 40s. Well, at 66, I feel 46. But you can't do it the same way you did in your 30s and 40s. It's very different. And so we wrote the book and the diet and the lifestyle plan to help you enjoy eating again, living a lifestyle and a way of thinking so you can fully thrive.
And we have a companion website that goes along with the book that has additional support materials and tools for you, and you'll get that as soon as you start reading.
So we can't wait to hear your story because we know you can realize your best body no matter what your age.